Hi, everyone. I'm Ron, CEO of TopStep. We build QuoteBuilder to solve a problem for our clients, and that is to be able to get out of Excel for building quotes. Our idea was to read data in SuiteProjects Pro and pull that data into QuoteBuilder, be able to build out proposals, and then push the data back. So let's take a look. You'll see here in my SuiteProjects Pro environment, I've got a couple of projects that have come in through the qualification stage. If I jump into QuoteBuilder, which is a separate add-on module to SuiteProjects Pro, it is syncing projects inside of my qualification stage. From here, I can come in and drill down into the project. Now I can start to build out my proposal. Here across this side, we have different offerings that we will configure. Think of templates in SuiteProjects Pro. So I've got a standard implementation template. When I grab my template, it's pulling in all my template details. It's pulling in the hours, the generic resources. It's pulling in a standard bill rate, and it's giving me my initial costs and my initial revenue based on the template data. From here, you go in and you update the hours to adjust the effort. And then from here, I can save. And then I can also add additional tasks, or I can remove tasks. You can rename tasks in the system. I can add additional features and functions from the different templates if I want to. If I want to add an integration section here, I can do that as well. Again, adjusting the hours and adjusting the tasks. Once I'm ready to apply a bill rate, you'll see it's standardizing the standard bill rate. But if I want to come in and apply a different bill rate, I come into my pricing module. And here I can look at the different rates across the different roles. And I can also sync based on rate cards. So if I wanted to bring in a different rate card and say we're going to do a 215 rate card for this, or I can just hand enter different rates for different roles. It's going to again come in here and it's going to reset my billing rates and reset my pricing and my margin. Once I'm ready to go, I can submit this for approval. At this point, this is sitting in an open status. But once I can do that, I can submit this for approval and send it through the approval process defined on the project in SuiteProjects Pro that will then send emails to those approvers to set the approval process. Once it's approved, now I can go in and take the approved quote and actually generate the commercials. So from here, I can have a list of different templates and grab the template and click generate. It's going to actually generate in this case, it's generating the SOW for this particular quote. So it's bringing in any details it can find. It's bringing in the customer information. It's bringing in all my standard language. And then it's also bringing in the pricing information from the quote to give me a final price. From here, I can update this document and then send it to our customer for final approval.